In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create folders in Airtable Workspaces to keep all your bases organized and easy to find. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. To get started, open your browser and head over to Airtable. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account, so go ahead and click the Login button in the top right corner and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on your Airtable homepage, which shows all your existing workspaces and bases. This is your command center, and it's where we'll begin organizing. Now, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see a list of your workspaces. Right beside the workspace name, there's a small add icon. It looks like a plus sign. Go ahead and click that icon. This is the key step for creating a new workspace, which will act as a container for all the folders and bases you want to group together. A dialog box will pop up asking you to name your workspace. This is where you get to decide how to structure things. I recommend entering a name based on a department, team, or project, something like marketing team or Q4 product launch. This makes it super easy to find everything later, especially if you're collaborating with others. Choose a clear, descriptive name and confirm it. Once you've named it, your new workspace will appear in the left sidebar. From here, you can start adding folders inside it. To do that, click on the workspace you just created, and then look for the option to add a folder. Usually a plus or add folder button within that workspace's view. Give your folder a name that matches a specific topic or workflow, like campaign assets or budget docs. And just like that, you've created a folder inside your workspace. You can repeat this process to build out as many folders as you need, keeping everything neatly nested and accessible. And there you have it. You now know how to create folders in Airtable Workspaces to streamline your projects and teams. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.